In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the new feature with Instagram Reels called templates. It literally is a game changer, especially if you're trying to put together more like photo or video montage reels. You're able to pull basically what someone else has done with their reel and insert your own clips, and it automatically adjusts it to the exact length of each clip, and you're not having to do the tedious task of doing that yourself, especially when you're trying to match your reel to the beat of the music or something like that. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make this reel right here, or how I made this reel, and we'll actually have a link to the reel down below. So if you want to, make your own reel like this and use this one as a template, or even just follow along the tutorial, you can go ahead and the link will be right below this video for this reel on my own Instagram. All right, so we've got that reel pulled up, and you'll notice that there's reels where if someone created the reel within the Instagram app, like added the photos and videos in the app, you will be able to see where it says use template right above their username. This is true to any reel, and if you're trying to find, so like if you see a trend but you don't see that, you can also just tap on the audio and go through different reels that use that audio and see if there's another one you can use instead that has use template. Like for example, if mine didn't have that, you could go to this one and tap use template on this, and you can do it the exact same way. So make sure you take advantage of this feature for these types of reels as much as you can. It's going to save you literally so much time. So let's go ahead. We're going to tap on use template right here. And then from here, this is where you replace the clips that I have added to my reel with your own. So you can do this with photos or videos. I'm going to use photos just because that's what the reel we're making. It's like a camera roll for the past month. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on add media right here. And this is where you can select from your own camera roll different photos or videos you want to add. So let me go ahead and scroll down here. I actually already have, I exported from my own Lightroom app the photos that I wanted to use for this. So I'm going to go ahead and tap and add those. One of the easiest way to do this too is you can tap, and you don't have to do like one at a time. So you can tap, see how it says one above the one I just tapped. Now I can just keep going for all of the different ones that I want to include in this reel. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep going down the line right here and all the way until, and if you scroll on the very bottom, you can see like how many you have left to give you a good idea of that. And okay, so we have all the ones right here that I want to include in this reel. Next thing you're going to do is tap on the little white arrow on the bottom right hand corner. That's going to take you to basically generate your reel. And we're just going to wait for it to go ahead and load. It's replacing all of the photos that were in the original reel with the new images. All right, if you can see it's replaced right here, it's just showing a preview of what this looks like. Once it looks good, and you can also at the bottom like scroll and tap on any photo or video and change by moving that little white box, change like where it's gonna, like what part of the photo or video you want to show up. Obviously for photos it doesn't matter, right? But if you're doing a video, this can be helpful. Like which 2-second part of the video clip do you want in the reel, and then just hit done whenever you're done. And if you need to replace something for some reason, same thing, you can just tap on any of them, hit replace media, and it'll go back to your camera roll, and you can select a different photo or video. Okay, and then once you're done, you hit the bottom right hand corner, you hit next right there, and then you can go ahead and keep editing your reel from there. So we actually have a full Instagram Reels tutorial on our channel. We'll go ahead and put a link right here and also down below. So if you're curious on the editing process after this, like how to add text or what to do for your cover photo, for your caption, how to schedule and post your reel, be sure to check out that video because it goes a lot more in depth than I can right here. And I also want to invite you to join our free Reels class. So if you're someone who's trying to use Reels to grow your brand, we would love to have you join. It's a completely free on-demand replay that you can watch of a live class on how to grow your reach, followers, and customers with Reels. And the link will be right below this video again, and you can join and watch that at any time. We'd love to have you join us. And also subscribe to our channel if you're new, because we upload new videos every Tuesday all about growing your brand. We talk a lot about Reels especially, so I think you'll really love it. And I think that's it. So if you have any questions on anything about this feature, please let us know. It is a game changer. I've used it for so many of my own reels, especially those photo and video montages. I'm excited for you guys to use it as well because it's officially rolled out to everyone, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye guys.